So we're at the newly opened Palm Beach Aquatic Centre here, based on the Gold Coast. Originally there was a 50-metre pool and basically an old tin shed. They've built a heap of new pools, so there's 2 indoor pools, an outdoor pool, a revamped, existing 50-metre pool. There's an indoor community space, some activity rooms, gym, a kids area, creche, canteen. The plans came across my desk and I'm like, okay, this is a bit of a challenging space. Multiple pools, multiple areas, different zoning. Obviously they're going to have one thing happening at one pool, something in another. When I'm scoping this, I'm like, let's think of a school carnival. This is going to need decent SPL, decent coverage. People are going to be yelling in mics, so you need decent microphones. Also the options, they might want to come and patch something in, so they might want to bring their own little mixer or a laptop, have that option as well. And I wanted something full range. It's a personal thing for me, but there's nothing worse than we all know. You go to somewhere, it's a 100-volt horn sitting in the corner blasting out noise. I went down the JBL CBT70 range. I've used them before on other projects and they're just a great all-round speaker. They sound good, they perform well, and they also look nice. They're slimline, we could mount them on the poles. They're going to be stuck outside copying everything from salt and chemicals from the pool to general weather conditions. So I needed something once again that was going to survive in the elements, and these speakers have proven to me time over time that they just keep going. There's 2 sort of indoor areas here. There's the activities hall, I guess you could say. In there it's just some ceiling speakers. There's also the options to patch additional systems in if need be. And then in the inside pools, we just surrounded the edges of the pools with some AWC-82s and they do what they're supposed to do. Just free-to-air TV for them to watch while they're on their exercise bikes or to keep the kids entertained in the creche. So there's approximately, I think last count, about 42 zones around the area. Obviously some of those are grouped together to be able to pick what they want, turn up certain areas, route certain sources to different areas. So if they've got a swimming carnival on, they can have that microphone routed to the whole venue. Or if it's just something happening in a portion of a pool, they can just route it to those particular speakers of that area of the pool. There's been nothing that's gone wrong. The speakers have performed, everything's performed as per spec, as you'd expect it to. There's been nothing but positive feedback from both the instructors, the general managers and all that from the operational side, and most importantly, the customers. They've had nothing but positive feedback about everything here, saying it's the best they've had at any of the pools on the Gold Coast. There's only a handful of these centres on the Gold Coast, this being the newest. We've been really privileged to be part of this project and deliver a really good outcome for the client and everyone involved.